Hi everyone, welcome to GK session, class 7th. We are discussing term 1 pattern paper. Alright, we have already seen unit test 1 pattern paper, so term 1 pattern paper is same. Alright, then 2 let us discuss. So you know the syllabus is chapter 11 to 22. Page number you can see, page number 29 to page number 54, GK textbook. And marks, you know, 40 plus 10 is 50, 40 marks are written and 10 marks for internals. We will discuss what you are going to do for internals. So paper pattern we'll see. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with options. Options will be given. So in unit test 1 you had 5 fill in the blanks. Now you will have 10. Okay, so fill in the question number 1, fill in the blanks for 10 marks with options. Options will be provided. Question number 2, match the following. Question number 3, recognize the following with the help of the given clues. Now here clues will be given means options will be given in the bracket. Means answers will be given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct answer and then you have to recognize the following. Alright. So question number 4, if you will see, name the following with the help of the given clues. Name the following with the help of the given clues. Now here clues will be given but in statement form. The statement form is only the clue. Alright, options will not be given. 10 statements will be given, 10 sentences will be given. With those 10 sentences you have to judge. With 10 sentences you have to judge the answers. Okay, answers you have to write by your own. Options will not be given like question number 1 and question number 3. Question number 4 you have to write answers by your own. Options will not be given in bracket. Okay, so please do not call for question number 4 that options are not given, clues are not given. The clues are the sentences or the statements themselves. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now let us see internals. 10 marks, 5 marks. Explain the importance of general knowledge in your own words. So students are sending me on WhatsApp the importance of general knowledge. So I request them, please don't send me on WhatsApp. You have to attach it with answer sheet. When you are submitting your GK answer sheet, with that you have to attach this internal mark, this activity for internal marks also. Okay, 5 marks for importance of general knowledge in your own words, and 5 marks for paper presentation. How neat your paper is, how handwriting is good, all these things. How is your handwriting? For all these things you will be judged and given marks. Okay, so 5 marks for importance of general knowledge and 5 marks for paper presentation. So both are in your hands. And please do not forget to attach it with internal marks. Means do not forget to attach it with main answer sheet. Okay. Now note, first unit test I have faced many issues regarding GK answer sheet, so I don't want those issues to be repeated once again for the term 1. So please go through this, submit GK answer paper on the given date only. Now you feel that it is GK after 10 days also, if I'll submit it's okay, after 20 days, whenever you feel you have to submit, you will submit. No, you have to submit GK paper on the given date only. And while checking, please check it thoroughly whether you have submitted complete GK paper or not. If total 2 papers are there, you are submitting only 1 paper. Okay, so also check your paper thoroughly whether you have attempted all the questions, whether you have attached marks, internal marks activity, whether you have attached all the pages or not. So all these things please check thoroughly before submission, because afterwards you and me both have to face it. And the most important part is submission of hard copy on the given date is compulsory If any issue is there, please you can call and tell me that, Miss, I cannot submit. I'll submit on this date. All right. So submission of hard copy of the given on the given date is compulsory. And if you have any kind of issue, please let me know. So all the GK papers I should get on time without any issue. All right. Thank you so much, and please write paper properly. Thank you so much.